5 AI-powered business ideas for entrepreneurs. Welcome to the AI Capitalist, where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and business. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 AI-powered business ideas that entrepreneurs can leverage to create innovative and profitable businesses. Idea number 1. Personalized e-commerce. One of the most significant benefits of AI is the ability to personalize customer experiences. Entrepreneurs can use AI algorithms to analyze user data and provide personalized product recommendations, creating a more satisfying and tailored shopping experience. By leveraging AI in this way, businesses can increase customer satisfaction and drive sales. For example, Amazon uses AI to analyze customer data to offer personalized product recommendations, which accounts for a significant portion of their sales. By implementing similar AI-powered personalized e-commerce solutions, entrepreneurs can tap into this market and increase sales for their own businesses. Idea number 2. Virtual personal assistants. Virtual personal assistants have been around for a while, but AI has taken them to the next level. By leveraging natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, virtual assistants can now carry out complex tasks such as booking appointments and responding to emails. Entrepreneurs can create virtual assistants for various industries, such as healthcare, legal, and finance, providing an innovative solution for time-consuming tasks. For instance, the virtual health assistant Florence uses AI to help people manage their medication schedules and track symptoms. Entrepreneurs can create similar virtual assistants for different industries, providing efficient and cost-effective solutions for tedious tasks. Idea number 3. Predictive maintenance. AI can be used to predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing businesses to perform maintenance proactively rather than reactively. This reduces downtime and improves operational efficiency, saving businesses time and money. Entrepreneurs can create a predictive maintenance service, providing a cost-effective solution for businesses to keep their equipment running smoothly. For example, GE uses AI to predict when their aircraft engines may fail, allowing them to schedule maintenance before the engine breaks down. Entrepreneurs can create similar predictive maintenance services for different industries, such as manufacturing or transportation, providing a valuable solution for businesses to save time and money. Idea number 4. Fraud detection. With the increasing prevalence of online transactions, fraud has become a significant issue for businesses. AI algorithms can be used to analyze user data and detect fraudulent activity, providing a valuable solution for businesses. Entrepreneurs can create a fraud detection service, providing businesses with an effective way to prevent financial loss. For instance, PayPal uses AI to analyze transactions and detect fraudulent activity, allowing them to stop fraudulent transactions before they occur. Entrepreneurs can create similar fraud detection services for different industries, providing a valuable solution for businesses to prevent financial loss. Idea number 5. Intelligent analytics. Finally, entrepreneurs can leverage AI-powered analytics to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. By analyzing large volumes of data, businesses can make data-driven decisions, improving performance and driving growth. Entrepreneurs can create an intelligent analytics service, providing businesses with the tools they need to make informed decisions. For example, Salesforce uses AI to analyze customer data and provide insights to businesses, allowing them to make data-driven decisions. Entrepreneurs can create similar intelligent analytics services for different industries, providing businesses with valuable insights to improve their performance and drive growth. And that's a wrap on our 5 AI-powered business ideas for entrepreneurs. By leveraging AI, entrepreneurs can create innovative solutions that improve operational efficiency, drive growth, and ultimately, create a successful business. Let us know in the comments which idea you found the most interesting, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and business content from the AI Capitalist. Thanks for watching.